The offshore company in UAE is ideal for those who want to open a company in Dubai and operate in complete flexibility and confidentiality. With this type of company, it is possible to maintain the confidentiality both in relation to the ownership of the company and to the bank account. The offshore company, in fact, also allows you to open a bank account in the United Arab Emirates, together with the possibility of buying real estate properties in the country, subject to approval by the competent authorities. The offshore company, perhaps established in the form of an LLC, is exempt from taxation and has no annual accounting and tax obligations, except for the obligation to keep invoices. Offshore companies in Dubai are used for activities such as international trade, trading of goods without going through the Emirates, holding company of international groups, international shipping, international consulting services. A notable feature of offshore companies registered in Dubai is corporate secrecy. The advantages of opening an offshore company in Dubai can be summarized as follows: no taxation of income from abroad, full ownership of the company, and no obligation to have a sponsor, no annual control of the financial accounts, confidentiality of shareholder and director data. Depending on the type of shareholders, natural or legal persons, the documents required for registration will be different. The cost of registration for corporate and individual shareholders is the same, but in the case of corporate shareholders there are additional costs related to the preparation of corporate shareholder documents. To open an offshore company in Dubai, individual shareholders must provide the following documents: copy of passport, the original that will be presented when opening an account in the UAE, confirmation of residential address in the form of bills from the country of origin, professional experience, a short resume with the description of the current experience, letter from the bank in the form of a reference letter, a sample can be provided upon request, name of the company. In the case of corporate shareholders of an offshore company, following documents must be submitted. The name of an offshore company in Dubai must represent the business activities. There are very few restrictions on choice, since a company in the UAE can have any name. The restrictions include the following points: it is not allowed to use the words banking, insurance, reinsurance, and the like. The denomination cannot include UAE city names, as well as the UAE name, and the company name must not be associated with any UAE state structure. Furthermore, the name of an offshore company cannot be the same as that of a company which is already open and registered in the commercial register. At the end of the name, a company must have an abbreviation limited. Till next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.